How many of you do speaking engagements? That would be a press release every time you go do a speech. And you can target the demographic of what geographical area it goes to, put the press release on your website. When I do regular press releases for my clients, regardless of who they are or what their industry is, it becomes the #1 driving force to their website, is the press release. So then the press release goes on prweb.com once it's published. Then I did to make a media list. If you all write blogs, you put your blogs on your website, you put your blogs on to your email list, send it out to email. You need a media list. If you're a business coach, your media list should include the editor of Forbes magazine, Success Magazine, Inc. Magazine, and all the other little online magazines underneath that, the business journals, the newspapers. You send your press release to them. I've converted some of my clients' blogs into articles that have been published in online magazines and newspapers.